Communications from Asian countries, such as Japan or South Korea, have also been unresponsive. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Federal Aviation Administration. The Federal Aviation Administration have informed the nation that several airplanes, currently en route to Asia, have become unresponsive and have yet not returned. Communications from Asian countries, such as Japan or South Korea, have also been unresponsive. The Federal Aviation Administration is actively investigating this issue and working closely with our international partners to determine the cause and extent of the problem. All citizens must be advised to remain vigilant at this time. If you have any information regarding these missing airplanes or having unrelated issues, please contact your local authorities immediately. Please tune to your local stations for more information.
Alright, John.
Yeah.
This right here is gonna be our last take.
We have an update message through the Federal Aviation Administration. It turns out that this previous alert was resulted into a hijack upon further investigation. It is also confirmed that there is no continent named Asia and no nations named South Korea and Japan. We ask the public to disregard the previous alert at this time. The Federal Aviation Administration is working with relevant agencies to identify the source of this hack. For now, thank you for your understanding, and we are now returning to your regular programming. We have an urgent message from the United States government. We have reason to believe that many citizens are experiencing hallucinations of the continent called Asia, and countries within named Russia, China, Japan, North and South Korea, and others. Another information that many citizens were experiencing hallucinations of the another continent called Europe. Please be advised to remain vigilant at this time. We want to assure the public that these memories and experiences are not real. We suspect that this is the result of an unknown toxin. This toxin that it triggers a brain-through memory that it was fictional or not real. Please be advised to stay away from others. Turn off all electronics immediately. A hand crank radio will be giving you updates to the information as it becomes available. Stay tuned for further updates. following message is transmitted by the United States government, along with Federal Aviation Administration and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. We have made a shocking discovery that the continent of Asia and Europe is at some point a real place, but has disappeared from existence. Many people still retain memories of this lost continent, but most do not. In addition, we have reason to believe that an authoritarian is about to occur, and this time it will be in Africa. If this would happen, it will cause the destruction of the entire continent and with it the origin of human life. This means that if Africa disappeared, humans would never be existed. Regrettably, we have no way to prevent this catastrophic event. All residents must be advised to stay calm and make the most of the time we had left. Gather your friends and family as we embrace that this is the end. If you are a religious people, pray to your one God and Goddess. The President had selected a Bible verse to be played on the air. 2 Timothy 3:1-5. But understand this, that in the last days there will come times of difficulty. For people will be lovers of self, lovers of money, proud, arrogant. We will be now signing off for the final time with our national anthem. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. Your government thanks for your cooperation, but this is the end. Goodbye forever, and God bless America. NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. We thank you for your cooperation at NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. God bless you and God bless America. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. We thank you.